Hello and welcome back. You're doing well. So this is going to be the update on the indices on the US and the EU indices. So everyone was just expecting that we're gonna have that one more leg lower. Specifically, Fed wasn't happy to have that higher rally on the stock, all right, and they were talking down the indices to drop for another leg lower, as you know that they are facing the higher inflation pressure. So it was just simply written on the wall that indices gonna drop for next bearish rally. So we are currently having that bearish rally on the US indices and on the EU indices. All right. So let's look at the previous charts, all right, and then we're going to talk about that what may happen after, once we're going to have that rally, bearish rally gonna hit the floor. Okay, so on US 30 we were expecting that bullish rally which started in June to drop and continue to keep falling all the way back to that previous low or form new low and give us a buy opportunity all the way back to that previous top, this previous high, or another leg lower, very much similar like this previous one. So right now we are within that bearish leg on the US 30. Okay, so we had those corrections and we were expecting those corrections to break down on lower time frame. All right, so those corrections are nicely breaking down, very much similar like the corrections which you have seen breakdown on dollar pairs, right? So US 30 still got a room to left, right, to hit that previous low. Okay, so we still may see more downside on US indices on US 30, all right. And if we're gonna look at the Nasdaq 100 index, Nasdaq 100 index is also dropping. Similar move is just appearing over there, like US 30 heading down all the way back to that previous low, or we may see new low. All right, similar structure as I said on the US 30. Okay, we may see buying opportunity all the way back to that previous top, or another bearish correction for more downside. Okay, so structure gonna remain that as long as this bearish correction gonna stay over there. So we are right now within that bearish rally. All right, so we were expecting these corrections to break down, all right, on lower time frame. So those corrections are breaking. We still got room left on the Nasdaq 100 index. Nasdaq index still can run all the way up to 11,000. All right, S&P 500 is also similar structure. Okay, we were expecting this to break down. It's breaking down, so we may see retest of this previous low or new low, and structure gonna be same again, right, like others. So we are in a bigger correction for next breakout for upside, because Fed is having higher inflation, and they're facing higher inflation, and looking to bring the inflation down. That's causing this to go down. Okay, so we had those corrections, similar corrections like other indices. Okay, now breaking down, we still got a room to run, right? So when we look at the EU indices, okay, so EU indices were also having similar structure, breaking down. Okay, retest of this previous low or new low, same structure, right? And EU indices are about to tag that previous low, July lows, right? And we still got some room over there. Yeah, so we are about to hit. There is possibility that the price can break down this previous low and can form new low. Okay, so same structure as said, right? Same structure. Okay, and German 30 is also heading lower for the next leg. This is about to tag this previous low, all right? There is possibility, as said, we may see breakout, okay? Breakout of this previous low, and price can form new low. So if we are going to see that breakout, all right, then let that breakout. Do not rush for buying the opportunities, okay? once price gonna, you know, have enough price action, then start looking for, you know, this similar kind of move, or possible, you know, all the way back to that previous top, right? So it's not ready for buy. Do not rush for buy. Yeah, there is possibility that it still can break down. So we are heading for the next bearish leg, all right? And the same goes on Frank 40. Frank 40 is also heading for the bearish leg, right? So there is still room to run. So obviously there's going to be a buy opportunity, all right? Once this bearish leg, which is just speeding over there on these indices, going to be over, then, you know, you will, you know, then watch for them to go higher. Okay, so the structure is, as I said, gonna be the same. So this flag, which is just appearing over there, you're gonna look for this bigger flag to go higher. So this is just an update, all right? So the opportunity is very much gone on the US indices. The next leg is just appearing over there. You still can trade on them on lower time frame for more downside. We still got a room on US indices. If you know, then trade. If you don't know, then let them fall. Test the previous lower form, new low, then look for buy. All right. So thank you. We'll see you back again in another analysis. Until then, bye.